How to attach the camera head to your DT320 mini pipe crawler. The camera head is shipped separately within the case. You will need an Allen key such as the one included in your kit. Remove the two cap screws and detach the camera head clip. Align the pins in the connector of the camera head to the holes in the front socket of your DT320. Reattach the camera head clip and insert and tighten the two cap screws. For more tips and guides, visit our resources at deeptrekker.com.